So here we have a hydraulic ram pump in its pieces. So we have basically a 1.5-inch coupling union here, and then a coupling and a bushing that goes up to 2-inch T. It has these little wings modified. You'll see what they're for. They're for mounting the pump. Another 2-inch coupler, another 2-inch T. Has a little tail like that. All stainless steel. We have a plug, 1/2-inch plug. This is 3/4 to a 2-inch reducer. And we have a 3/4 plug with a hole in it, just like that. This one does not have a hole. And then we have the shaft, stainless steel shaft with a nut, a washer, a rubber washer, stainless steel washer, and another nut here. And so this is the shaft, another reducer. This is a 1.25 inch by 2 with 2 nuts welded on the side. And this is a top plate for the shaft, and we'll be putting it together. Here we have basically 2 by 1.5 inch reducer, 1.5 inch coupling. This is a valve, a check valve, 1.5 inch coupling, 1.5 inch T, like that. And that's a plastic coupler. And then this is 1.5 inch by 3 to 3/4, reducing, 3/4 coupling, 3/4 T with a 3/4 to a 1/4 reducer with a pressure gauge. Then we have a 3/4 coupling, a valve, and this is the outlet for a 3/4 pipe or hose. So we're going to be putting this together, and the tools I'll use to put it together would be those simple tools. hydraulic ram pump. So the water comes in here, goes into this chamber here, and rushes into this check valve, and it fills up, and this valve closes, and pressure builds up here, and it pushes water up this way. There will be a pressure chamber at the top here. Once this pressure drops and this pressure is greater, it'll push the check valve back. Make sure you have the flow going this way, up. Once the pressure is greater here, it'll push it down. The pressure here will start building up because this check valve is open now, and it'll close it. Pressure is lower, opens up, water goes in, this closes, so it goes, pressure is bouncing back and forth. And then we'll be installing this hydraulic ram pump soon.